First of all, how cute is my nephew's little bedroom? So cute. I have to show you guys, my best friend is the best. She had everything waiting for me that I use. Is she not the cutest? A toothbrush, toothpaste. But these she got at the dollar store. Can't believe it. Amazing. Are you ready to go? Are you ready to go, boys? I said right, bud.
Oh, mama's getting corn.
So we are here to see the goats. Uh-oh. Oh, look at all the honey. Wow, this is so awesome. Just so cool. What are we getting? Oh, goat food.
Hold it. You're gonna get out in a second.
Oh, we're gonna feed the goats?
Mama's gotta pay for it.
Oh, that's cute that you pay there.
You ready to get out? All right.
Sam, are you excited?
Remember Holden?
Say excuse me.
Samuel, say excuse me here.
Oh, wow.
Don't. Come here.
He's like, hey.
He's off.
Yeah. Go ahead.
That one's mean.
Come over here.
Say, don't be a bully. Don't be a bully. Give that one for
Oh, let's get up close.
Stop being mean.
Stop being mean.
Hey.
Good job, bud.
Mickey Mouse, come here. Oh my God.
Buddy, you can tear it into smaller pieces.
Good job. He's the cutest. No, boo-boo, you got it. Okay, there you go. Are you gonna feed his friend? Look, he wants some too. Okay, only feed him. His friend's like, screw this. He didn't feed me. Say excuse me, Sam.
You got a good name, buddy. You know what his name is right here, Kaden?
Yeah.
His name's Sam. He's like your daddy.
Aw.
He's good.
Good job, Sam.
You're brave. He didn't. He licked your finger. He did.
Good job, Sam.
Come on, boys.
Hey, that's not nice. Not you. The goat's not being nice. That is not nice, Mr. Goat. Sam, no. No. Oh my God. I got all that on tape. Mr. Goat's not being nice. We're gonna go on the other side. Come on.
Come on, on, buddy. Let's go see the emus. Come on. You gotta feed the big cow too. Come on.
Say hi, Aspen.
Hi. Hi, Aspen.
You're gonna say hi to yourself.
I'm just kidding. Look it.
What is this place called?
This is called Avila Barn.
We're at Avila Barn.
And it's amazing.
It's the cutest place ever.
And he's going crazy. He's gone.
Look at him, guys.
Hey, hey. Whose kid is that?
Sam, slow down, bud. In his glory right now.
Emu's right here.
Oh, wow. Look at this guy over here. So cool. Oh, look at the other ones. Whoa! They're just taking food from the other ones. Oh my gosh, if this not the cutest ever.
He's so funny. Sam, do you want to feed the big cow? No. No? Mommy's going to feed the big cow.
Can I see the baby one? Yeah! I don't see a baby one.
Oh my gosh, they're the cutest. Vlogging.
Sam, look at the cow. Come look at the cow over here.
Cow, look at the cow.
He just made a little friend. I love it.
Here you go.
Look, Mama's feeding the cow. What, did his tongue touch you?
Yes.
Ew.
Yeah, I'll show you. Watch.
It's gross.
You can feed him, honey. I'm not going to take yours. Feed him. That was very kind of you, though. Thank you.
Sam, baby.
What?
He is okay. I'm gonna open up my thing too.
Sam, do you want a hot dog? No.
He's like, no, I don't want a hot dog.
You just want to run around? Come over here, look. Look at the pony.
Oh, look, ponies. Hi, Mr. Pony.
That's the saddest looking. Hi, baby.
Oh, hi, Mr. Pony. He looks miserable.
No!
I don't know how I feel about this.
It's very sad.
It really is.
Look, there's horses over there too, baby. And emus.
I'm really about to become vegan.
They don't eat them.
I know they don't eat them. I meant
But
like,
you, the animal cruelty. Please do not feed the ponies or horses. They may
Oh.
bite. Okay.
okay. Is this what the hell is this? I think that's a peacock. Or, no, that's not. What is this thing? Eli? Their names are Eli and Emily, but what the hell are they? Aspen! Oh, she went over there. Okay, guys, so if anybody knows what they are, somebody comment below and let me know, because I don't know what they are. I have no idea. Here, I'll show them to you guys again. Oh, look at the horsies. They just look so sad. I don't know. I don't know how I feel about animals being in these things. Damn. I've never really been into animals at all, but this is why I don't go to zoos and stuff, because I feel like they are miserable. Like, I don't know, guys. I'm just not into the whole zoo thing. But we're not at a zoo. I think this is like it's a barn, I guess. I don't know. It's a petting zoo? I don't know what the hell this is. Maybe it is a zoo. I don't know. But I guess it's cool. Is that a turkey? Oh, it is a turkey. Oh, hey, Mr. Turkey. gonna get? I think I'm gonna get, they have apple cider, you guys. Is your hot dog good, boo? Yeah. Diti got a turkey sandwich and a hot dog, but obviously the turkey sandwich is for later because I'm not gonna eat the whole hot dog or the whole turkey sandwich. Oh my gosh, the hot dog is huge. I haven't had a hot dog in years.
You had ketchup.
Yeah, I got ketchup right here.
You much and ketchup? It had ketchup. I had mustard right here.
Oh no, let's get it off. Uh-oh.
It had mustard again.
Diti will get it off.
Or mustard too.
You want mustard too? Do you like mustard? You want it on your hot dog?
I can like it.
You sure you like it?
No.
Well, why you ask for it?
No. I'll be right back.
No, you won't. You're not going anywhere. You stay right here. No, you have to wait for mommy. You stay here, and then when mommy comes, you can go do whatever you were trying to do. He said, I'll be right back. No? How amazing is this view, though? Just out here. Look at the mist over the mountains, you guys. I don't know why I don't vlog more often, but I should. Don't you guys agree? If you think I should vlog more, leave me a comment down below. Oh, we're going back inside. Oh, those are so pretty, those flowers.
I love that.
That's gorgeous.